Welcome back to Tom Design, your go-to channel for innovative architecture and home inspiration. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, a stunning modern concrete house that merges sustainable living with luxurious, eco-friendly design. Whether you're dreaming of building your own green oasis or just love exploring architectural marvels, this video is for you. Stick around till the end for an unexpected twist that will make you rethink sustainable living. From its grand entryway to the seamless flow of its open-concept interiors, this house is the epitome of how sustainability and luxury can coexist. Let's explore every detail and see what makes this property not just a home, but a statement for conscious living. At the heart of this project is a vision that marries modern architecture with eco-conscious design. The architects have chosen concrete as the primary material, not just for its durability but also for its natural ability to regulate temperature, keeping the house cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This choice reflects a strong commitment to sustainable living by reducing energy consumption. The house's open-concept layout is key to maximizing natural light and cross-ventilation. Large, strategically placed windows and sliding doors allow sunlight to stream in, creating an inviting and bright atmosphere while minimizing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Now, let's step inside and see how this sustainable. The journey begins at the entryway, which immediately sets the tone for the home's eco-friendly luxury. Imagine stepping into a space defined by sleek concrete walls juxtaposed with the warmth of a reclaimed wood console table. This entry piece is more than just functional, it tells a story of sustainability and thoughtful design. Above the console, a large statement mirror with a frame made from upcycled metal reflects the surrounding natural light, enhancing the open feel of the space. To one side, a vertical green wall adds a lush touch, composed of air-purifying plants that help to maintain indoor air quality. The texture of the woven jute rug underfoot offers both comfort and an organic aesthetic that aligns with the home's environmentally conscious theme. These elements come together to create an entryway that is both welcoming and mindful, making a powerful first impression. As we move into the living space, the sustainable narrative continues. This room showcases a harmonious blend of concrete, wood, and greenery. A built-in wooden shelf, crafted from reclaimed timber, displays artisan vases and sculptures made from recycled metals and ceramics, bringing artistic sustainability into the forefront. The lighting in this area is designed with efficiency in mind. Pendant lights made from recycled glass and bamboo cast a warm, inviting glow, while strategically positioned skylights reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. The room's focal point is a large concrete planter housing a small indoor tree, tying the space to nature and reinforcing the eco-friendly theme. It's the perfect example of how modern aesthetics and eco-conscious living can create an inviting, luxurious space. The kitchen and dining area further illustrate the home's commitment to sustainability without compromising elegance. Here, a custom dining table made from repurposed wood takes center stage, surrounded by eco-friendly chairs made from renewable materials. This blend of luxury and sustainability sets the tone for the entire space. The kitchen island, with its polished concrete surface, seamlessly blends with the aesthetic while providing functionality. Sustainable wood cabinets, sourced from certified forests, add warmth to the otherwise sleek, modern design. Smart appliances that conserve energy and water-saving taps complete the space, showcasing that sustainability can be integrated into every detail. The decor here is thoughtfully chosen to reflect both form and function, from artisan dishware to locally sourced decorative pieces, each item contributing to the home's story of eco-friendly luxury. Upstairs, the private spaces offer serene and sustainable retreats. The bedrooms are designed with large, energy-efficient windows that bathe the rooms in natural light and provide excellent cross-ventilation. The beddings are made from organic cotton, and the floors are adorned with sustainable, hand-woven rugs that add both comfort and style. One of the standout features in the master bedroom is a wall-mounted planter filled with cascading greenery. This unique touch not only enhances the room's aesthetics but also purifies the air and reinforces the home's sustainable theme. The overall atmosphere is one of peace, luxury, and an undeniable connection to nature. Now, here's the twist. This house isn't just a standalone marvel of sustainable luxury, it's part of a larger eco-village designed for community living. In this neighborhood, residents share a communal garden where they can grow organic produce and host workshops on renewable energy and sustainable building practices. It's a community built around shared values, making this home not just a private oasis but part of a collective movement toward a greener future. This feature turns the property from just a luxury home into a symbol of cooperative, sustainable living that inspires change. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a sustainable luxury home that goes beyond aesthetics and functionality. We hope you found inspiration not just for your own home but for a lifestyle that values both luxury and eco-conscious living. If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tom Design, and hit that notification bell for more architectural inspiration. Let us know in the comments which part of this eco-friendly home was your favorite, and if you'd like to see more homes with unique sustainable features. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep designing, and remember, luxury can be sustainable.